Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Professor Hank, and I'm back with a quick Kotlin video covering the continue and the break statements. So these statements are used for altering the normal flow of repetition for loops. All right, so we're going to have break, which ends the execution of the loop right freaking now. Okay, not just right now, but right freaking now. Okay, and then you've got continue, which ends a repetition of the loop and starts the next repetition. Okay, so that's what we're going to see. Okay, so this should actually say repetition. Okay, and then let's go ahead and create it for ourselves a loop. We'll need a variable I, initialize to 0, and then we'll say while I is less than 10, and then we'll print the contents of I, and then we'll advance I. Okay, and then before the loop, we'll say hello, and then after the loop, we'll say goodbye. Okay. All right, so let's test that. Okay. And you're going to see there's the 0 through 9. Okay, hello, and then the goodbye. So now let's see what continue will do, right? Continue ends a repetition of the loop and starts the next repetition. So if I was to do something like this, I could say, well, if I is equal to 5. All right, if that's the case, then we'll go ahead and increment our I and then continue. All right, so if we do that, then as soon as I is equal to 5, it'll get incremented, but then that repetition is going to end right then and there. So we'll go from that continue statement to the top of the loop and then continue with I containing 6. So what that effectively is going to do is it's going to cause us to skip printing out the 5, right? It's not going to finish that repetition. So you can see the output there. There's the hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but then we skipped the 5, as I said, and then the loop continued on and did 6, 7, 8, 9, and then goodbye. As soon as the loop was done, we left the loop and then printed goodbye at the end here. Okay, so that's how continue works. It allows you to terminate a repetition right now. Okay, now let's see how break works. Now break is a statement that just ends the loop right freaking now, as I was saying, right? So if we were to do something like this, if I is equal to 4 and we said break, all right, if we do that, then this loop is done. As soon as I is equal to 4, it's over. And the loop is just completely and utterly done. It doesn't continue with any repetitions at all. So you can see the output here, you know, hello, 0, 1, 2, 3, goodbye. Why do you only see the 0 to 3? Because as soon as I contains 4, then this is true. And then we break out of the loop and we're done. So that is how break and continue work. Okay, so that's going to bring this video to a close. If you're a student of mine, you have questions about any of the topics that were covered in this video, feel free to drop me an email, stop by my office hours, or hit me up on Zoom online. For the rest of you, if you thought the video was useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you thought the video sucked, you got the thumbs down button as well. Consider supporting the channel in various ways. You can subscribe, you can join as a member with additional perks for as little as 99 cents. Leave a comment, whatever. But most of all, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.